आमकां काँग्रेस पक्षाचे फुडारी पूण आमचे देशाचे फुडारी जेणी आमकां स्वतंत्रताय मेळपाक तांचें व्हडलें योगदान आसा। एक आमचे आदले आनी पयले भारताचे गृहमंत्री वल्लभभाई पटेल तांचो आज बर्थ एनिवर्सरी ताका आमी आर्गां ओंपतात आनी श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी तांची पुण्यतिथी ताकाय आमी आज आर्गां ओंपतात। तांचें योगदान तांचें कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन न्हयच आमच्या फ्रिडम मुवमेंटाक पूण आमच्या स्वतंत्र भारताक व्हडल्या प्रमाणे आसा। सरदार वल्लभभाई पटेल तांकां आयर्न मॅन ऑफ इंडिया म्हणून अशे लोक वाचारताले, कित्याक पयले गृहमंत्री जावन ताणें भारताक एक घटाय दिली आनी ही घटाय भारताक व्हडल्या प्रमाणे फायद्याक पडली, कित्याक आमचे स्टेट्स डिफायन जावन पडले आनी ताणें एक जें रोड मॅप आमच्या भारता खातीर केलें तें आज सुद्दां आमी फॉलो करतात। ताचे मागीर श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी जी देशाची कितल्याच वर्सां प्रायम मिनिस्टर आशिल्ली आनी तिका तिचें बलिदान आपलेच ते हे सिक्युरिटी लोकांनी ताका मारली। तिणें सांगलेलें की आपणाचे एक एक थेंबो आपणाच्या रक्ताचो भारताच्या घटायेक फुडें हें करतलो। आज आमी दोगांचो याद करून आर्गां ओंपतात दोगांयकूय आनी अशें आशा बाळगितात की जेंचे दोगांयचे योगदान आसा काँग्रेस पक्ष मजबूत करया आनी काँग्रेस पक्षाक जरूर हे फावटी यश दिवन आमचो काँग्रेस पक्षाचो सरकार 2022 जरूर जातलो म्हणून आमकां खात्री आसा। देव बरें।
आणि आता हांव मागता गोंय प्रदेश काँग्रेस समितीचे अध्यक्ष गिरीश चोडणकर हाणें आपले विचार व्यक्त केले।
आज आमचे दोन महान लीडर सरदार वल्लभभाई पटेल यांची आज बर्थ एनिवर्सरी आणि आमची आयर्न लेडी इंदिरा गांधी यांची डेथ एनिवर्सरी। या दोन्ही महान लिडरान एक देशाक एक वेगळें डायरेक्शन दिला, एक मॉरॅलिटी इन पॉलिटिक्स म्हणजे सरदार वल्लभभाई पटेलान अशें एक हें केलां की कशें हाय लेवल ऑफ मॉरॅलिटी एंड प्रिंसिपल घेवन पॉलिटिक्सांक मुखार वचपाक शकतात आनी एक खंबीरपणे कसो एक आयडियोलॉजी घेवन ते रावन ते आयडियोलॉजी जी इंडियेची आसा ती प्रमोट करपाक कितेंय सॅक्रिफायस करपाक म्हळ्यार लायफाची सुद्दां तयारी दाखोवन तेणी हे देशाक मुखार व्हेल्लें आसा। तशेंच आमच्यो दुसऱ्यो आयर्न लेडी इंदिरा गांधी हाणें गरीब लोकां खातीर म्हणजे काँग्रेस आनी आम आदमी हेजे कनेक्ट करून दिलो थ्रू 20 point program or through her approach towards the masses, whether it's a bank nationalization in the interest of the nation or the common man, or बाकी राजा महाराजाची जी संपत्ती आशिल्ली त्या संपत्तीक हो देशाची संपत्ती म्हणून हें करून तिका खूब विरोध करपा पडलो, खूब विरोध जालो, पूण खंबीरपणे देशा खातीर संपत्ती हें केली। So Indira Gandhi has built the assets for this country, and the nationalization that she did, where the private companies were nationalized in the interest of larger interest of the country. But today we have the Prime Minister who is selling the assets of the nation and giving in the hands of the private parties, selling the assets which has high value to his crony clubs. So these are the two different leaders. One who has worked in the interest of the nation and the masses, and other leader has worked in the interest of 5 or 6 his crony club members. And हे पळोवपाक पळोवन दिसता की काँग्रेस ही जनतेची आणि बीजेपी ही फ्यू एलायड्स ते फ्रेंड्स आसात तेंची। त्याच भशेन इंदिरा गांधीचो जो एक कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन आसा फॉर गोवा, आय थिंक गोवन्स विल नेवर फॉरगेट her contribution to give the opinion poll. It was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who promised in the parliament when the liberation happened. Thereafter, in the parliament, there are records which he says, we know the Goa is having a unique identity, its unique culture, and because of the various countries ruled Goa, various kings ruled Goa, Goa's total culture is different from the rest of the country. And he has promised in the parliament that Goa's unique identity will be respected, and we will allow Goa and Goans to decide how Goa want to prosper. And that protection he has given. And then Srimati Indira Gandhi ji took that step forward. It was regarding opinion poll. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji was very clear that Goan should decide what Goa wants. And that assurance was fulfilled by Indira Gandhi ji. There was only opinion poll in India, and that opinion poll could happen only because of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Indira Gandhi. Otherwise, today Goa would have been a part of Maharashtra, and we would have been controlled by one district collector. We would have had around 2 or 3 MLAs at the most and 1 MP. And we don't know whether Goa would have been the Goa today. It would have been altogether different. So we are very much thankful to Indira Gandhi ji for giving that opinion poll to Goa. And her second contribution, which by and large we are forgetting, that about the CRZ, Coastal Regulation Zone. When she has seen in the various parts of the country that the coasts are being taken over by riches, and how to protect this, because this coast, the beaches belongs to the people of this country. It cannot be taken over by the capitalists. So, and there cannot be unplanned development on the coast in order to maintain the ecology, environment. And then she brought into this coastal regulation zone, and all the coast of India, all credit should go to her because of her vision. Otherwise, many coasts which have been taken over by capitalists, still I think entire coastline will have been taken by her. Now the new Prime Minister, who is trying to reduce that from 100 to 50 and want to sell this coast to his capitalist friend, is another attack on the Indian coast as well as the Goa. So for that also, I think Goans by and large will remember her contribution. So on behalf of Goa Pradesh Congress Committee, we remember Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and his contribution, and also our tall leader, Iron Lady Indira Gandhi ji's contribution.
आणि आता बापकेमलो सावंत आणि उकाट
आयज गोवा प्रदेश काँग्रेस कमिटीन आयोजीत केल्ल्या श्रद्धांजली सभेचे आयज आमची जी माजी पंतप्रधान इंदिरा गांधीची आयज डेथ एनिवर्सरी आसा, तशीच आमचे माजी केंद्राचे आमचे होम मिनिस्टर सरदार वल्लभभाई पटेल यांची बर्थ एनिवर्सरी आसा. ते एनिवर्सरी हजर राहिल्ले आमचे माजी केंद्रीय मंत्री पी चिदंबरम, गोवा प्रदेश काँग्रेस कमिटीचे अध्यक्ष गिरीश चुडणकर, उपाध्यक्ष तुलियो, तसेच दुसरे M.K. शेख, आमचे कोऑर्डिनेटर अमरनाथ पणजेकर, तसेच नौशाद, जेम्स, उदय मडकेकर आणि बाकी सगळे आमचे अजून हजर राहिल्ल्या बद्दल जिल्हा यांच्या सगळ्यांचे आभार मानता. आणि आयचो जो आमचो श्रद्धांजली प्रोग्राम आसा तो सगळो जायत.
Sir, one.